So why is the stock market going up when over 20 million Americans in the past 4 weeks have filed for unemployment? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions, and that is a question that I think everyone is asking. I was initially not surprised with the overall market reaction. Back here I have /MQ, which is the overall NASDAQ future, right? So when the overall market goes up, again, this NASDAQ future goes up as well. As soon as this report came out, we were at a resistance right around 8,700, as we could see that was present during the entire pre-market session. As soon as the unemployment report came out, again, like it does every single Thursday, it caused a bearish reaction to the overall market. Rightfully so, right? More Americans filed for unemployment. It would make sense that the market would then pull back or sell off. Shortly after, we began to see that the market found a support right around 8,600, and then it began to not only test the same resistance level at 8,700, but it actually ended up breaking it and making new highs at 8,785. And overall, for the past 3 to 4 months since this overall pandemic has been out and we saw that initial drop, we are at overall highs. Now, obviously, it's beginning to pull back, but the question is, why did it go up? One of the articles that I read is because of the unemployment, although we did surpass 20 million people, which makes up about 14% of the American workforce that filed for unemployment, which is unbelievable, right? Less people week after week are therefore filing for unemployment. So analysts see this as things are getting better. On top of that, the Trump administration with other European leaders are planning to reopen their borders. And this is the question that I have for you. By them wanting to reopen their borders and get America back into business, one of the things that I am worried about, as again, a lot of other health officials, is we've done, again, a crazy job with this overall lockdown and pandemic, and it's something that I've never seen before. But it makes sense on why everything was put into lockdown, because we still don't have a vaccine. Guess what? We still don't have a vaccine, yet they want to lift the lockdown. So what I wanted to ask you is, by the United States lifting the restriction and getting America back into business, do you think that this is going to be the right move? Not only myself, but other health officials have also encouraged the Trump administration to reconsider the idea of reopening the borders sooner than later. And again, just take this into consideration. We still do not have a vaccine. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I feel like the overall news is so much more focused on the coronavirus now than they were before. Yet, more people now than ever before are getting infected by the coronavirus and dying from it. We have such little focus on what is actually going on when things are still getting worse. And one of the questions that I'm, very confused on is, Italy and China have not reported any new cases, which just doesn't make sense, as the initial outbreak was in China. It's almost kind of hard to believe. Unless they're not reporting, and America just hopes that it will follow in China and Italy's footsteps in reducing the amounts of cases, I just find it very unlikely to avoid the whole idea of repeating this whole process, where we then continue to see an increase of people that get infected, of more people then dying, and then we go back into the overall idea of then going into this lockdown once again, which can then just drive the prices down for the overall market once again. So I just wanted to ask you guys, do you think that it is in our overall best interest to lift the lockdown that we currently have to get America back into business? Trust me, I understand that America wants to get back to business and they want their jobs back, but also we want to take into consideration that we don't make things worse before they get any better, with the idea that if we do go back into business, that we do run the risk of more people getting infected and then having to repeat this whole process of putting the United States back into lockdown and overall possibly putting us in a more unfortunate situation that we are currently in. And again, I think that's a question that you might want to ask yourself if we do want to consider the idea of uplifting this lockdown or this quarantine period that a lot of states currently have, as we still do not have any form of working vaccine. So I just wanted to answer the question of why the market began to go up. It has to do with the overall anticipation of America opening back its borders, but I also wanted to take into consideration and asking you guys a very simple question. What do you guys feel comfortable going back to work, knowing that there is still no vaccine for this over idea? And yes, we can take a couple steps and being a little bit more cautious and being more sanitary, but at the end of the day, if we do go back into business, business and things do get worse, I feel like the position that we will be in the future is going to be much worse than we are currently in right now. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to stay connected. We do run the largest investing group in the world on Facebook and on YouTube. If you guys want to join our free Facebook team, that's going to be that first link down below. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.